All you want is my hunger. All you need is my pain. Nothing in between ever made you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and...
Hi beautiful people. I totally blanked on filming my intro to this daily vlog before I worked out. So that's cool. But all I did this morning was I got up, ate breakfast, watched some Grey's Anatomy, and now I just got done working out. So I did a half an hour on the bike today. I averaged around 7 miles on it. Super fun. I've been doing cardio the past 3 days because usually I do go to my parents' house to work out, but the weather has not been in my favor, so I have had to stay in the town I actually live in. Very depressing. So I've just been going to my local gym, working out there, and yeah, it's been great. It's very bright. And then after the bike, I did abs, like usual. So the roads are kind of shitty, so I am going to drive without filming and be a smart driver. But I will do some more filming when I get back, so bye. Well, I officially made it to my home, and it's really windy out, and I'm not excited to go outside. Like, look at, oh god. Just look at it. Like, does that look like something I want to be walking in right now? No. Oh, sorry, you scared me. No, you're good. Okay, so I am home and I am going to shower because I just got done working out, so I feel gross, and I think my hair could use a washing. So, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, I am out of the shower. I am nice and clean. And yeah, I don't have a lot going on today, if I am being honest. It is obviously Sunday, the day I'm filming this, and basically I just have homework to work on. I know that sounds a lot of fun. Probably a bad day to be vlogging, but you know what? That's just how it worked out. So you guys get to help me do homework. Okay, I turned the TV on because I cannot like just sit here and have like no sound. I'm just like that. I have to have some background noise. So basically I have an exam this coming Thursday and it's pretty intense. So today I am studying hardcore. I have the entire day to do this. So I'm dedicating all day to studying. But anyway, I am going to be working on that for the next, I don't even know how many hours. I will get back to you guys in a little bit. But yeah, sorry. Hi guys, I have literally been studying this entire time. It's taking a bit longer than expected. School is just stressing me out. I literally had a mini mental breakdown. I cried. Not proud of it. I'm just ready for school to be done. It's stressing me out, like all the exams. Never been a good exam test taker, and knowing that my grade is riding on it just really stresses me out. So I think I am going to kind of wrap up the vlogging for today. since the roads have been shitty, I haven't been able to do much filming. So I apologize for this short little vlog, but I am just going to kind of close out and tell you what the rest of my day is going to kind of involve. I just kind of got done blow drying my hair. It is very fluffy right now since I just blew dry it. Blow dry? Blew dry. Blow dry? Anyway, I didn't straighten it, so it's a little fluffy. But let me show you what I'm going to make for supper. Here is me studying. Hasn't changed. I'm going to be heating up these ravioli noodles and then just some grilled chicken strips. It is perfect for suppers. Yeah, it's quick and easy, and I don't feel like cooking, so this is the supper for tonight. And I just quickly ate some soup for lunch. I didn't have that much time to really make food because I'm just trying to study and get it over with. So yeah, that is literally what the rest of my day entails, studying. And I'm sorry, this is a very boring vlog, but I guess if I do have anything interesting happen, I will film it for you guys. But so far I don't see anything interesting happening. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna close out the vlog here. Wish me luck on studying and passing my classes. I hope you guys have a great day, and I promise you my next vlog will be more interesting. Sorry. It is 8:35. It's almost 9 o'clock, and I have been doing homework the entire day, probably since 12:30. And I'm dead. I have Oscars playing on in the background. And let me show you what I'm doing. So much fun. So as you can tell, nothing else happened today. It was a boring day. But this is a typical day in the life of me when I don't have work. So yeah, life of a college student. Okay, since I already closed out the video, I'm not gonna really say much, so